السلام علیکم اسٹوڈنٹس، ویلکم ٹو مائی چینل۔ آج کی اس ویڈیو میں آپ کے ساتھ 100 موسٹ امپورٹنٹ کرنٹ افیئرس کے MCQs شیئر کروں گی جو کمنگ ADASF اور انسپیکٹر ASF کا جو ایگزام ہے اس کے لیے بہت امپورٹنٹ ہے۔ ویڈیو کو سٹارٹ کرنے سے پہلے آپ لوگوں میں سے جن اسٹوڈنٹس کو بھی ADASF اور انسپیکٹر ASF کے لیے کمپلیٹ سلیبس کے اکارڈنگ 1 لائنر نوٹس چاہیے ہوں، جس میں ADASF اور انسپیکٹر ASF کے جتنے بھی پاسٹ پیپرز ہوئے ہیں ان کے MCQs کو کمپائل کیا گیا ہو اور آپ ان آخری 7-8 دنوں میں تیاری کر کے ایک اچھا سکور لے سکیں، تو اس کے لیے جو واٹس ایپ نمبر آپ کو اسکرین پر شو ہو رہا ہے اس پر کانٹیکٹ کر کے آپ سیمپل ریکویسٹ کر سکتے ہیں۔ واٹس ایپ پر ہی آپ کو سیمپل کے ساتھ ساتھ جو پیمنٹ ڈیٹیلز وغیرہ ہیں وہ پرووائڈ کر دی جائیں گی۔ ابھی آپ کو یہ نوٹس ڈسکاؤنٹ پر مل جائیں گے اور 7-8 دنوں میں اگر آپ پراپرلی فوکسڈ ہو کر پڑھیں گے تو آپ کی بہت اچھی یہاں سے تیاری ہو سکتی ہے۔ سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں آج کے لیکچر کو۔ فرسٹ MCQs ہے ہمارے پاس، وچ کنٹری ہولڈز پریزیڈنسی آف دی G20 فور ایئر 2026؟ ساؤتھ افریقہ۔ دی 2026 Constitutional Amendment of Pakistan 2024-25 primarily focused on judicial reforms and appointments. Who was elected as the President of United States in the 2024 elections? Donald Trump. The Baku Breakthrough refers to climate finance goals set at which summit? COP29. Which nation became the first to officially exit the ECOWAS, the Economic Community of West African States bloc in 2025? Niger, along with Mali and Burkina Faso. The current chairman of Joint Chief of Staff Committee is 27 نومبر 2025 تک۔ جو آخری چیئرمین آف جوائنٹ چیف آف اسٹاف کمیٹی تھے وہ جنرل ساحر شمشاد مرزا، یہ 18 تھے چیئرمین جوائنٹ چیف آف اسٹاف کمیٹی۔ اس پوزیشن کو ابولش کر دیا گیا ہے اکارڈنگ ٹو 27th کانسٹیٹیوشنل امینڈمنٹ، اور اس کی جو رسپانسبلٹیز تھیں اس کو مرج کر دیا گیا ہے انڈر جو نیولی کریٹڈ چیف آف ڈیفنس فورسز رول ہے، اور کرنٹ جو چیف آف ڈیفنس فورسز ہیں وہ جنرل عاصم منیر ہیں۔ Which country hosted the 2025 Winter Asian Games? China in Harbin. The Indus Shield 2025-26 is a major multinational exercise hosted by Pakistan Air Force. In 2025, which country became the most populous nation in the world? India. The BRICS Plus currency project aims to reduce reliance on the US dollar. Who is the current Director General of Airport Security Force? Major General Shoaib bin Akram. The Sovereign Wealth Fund of Pakistan was established to manage state-owned enterprise assets. Which Middle Eastern country recently launched its first lunar rover in 2025? UAE, named Rashid 2. The IP pipeline project between Iran and Pakistan faced new timelines in 2025. Which European nation officially adopted the euro as its currency in 2025? Bulgaria. The Luce mascot was unveiled for which major 2025 global event? Catholic Church Jubilee 2025. Who is the current Secretary General of United Nations? Antonio Guterres. The Gaza Reconstruction Fund was a major topic at the 2025 summit of OIC and Arab League. Which Pakistani athlete won the first individual Olympic gold in 40 years? Arshad Nadeem. The AI Act, the world's first comprehensive AI law, was fully enforced in 2025. Which country is the largest trading partner of Pakistan in 2025-26? China. The Pact for the Future was adopted by which international body in late 2024? United Nations. Who is the current Prime Minister of Bangladesh? Tariq Rahman. The Central Bank Digital Currency Pilot was launched by SBP in 2025. Which country hosted the 2025 Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting? Antigua and Barbuda. The Artemis 3 mission aiming to land humans on the moon is slated for 2026. Who is the current Federal Minister for Interior of Pakistan? Mohsin Naqvi. The blue economy policy of Pakistan focuses on maritime resources. Which city was named the World Book Capital for 2025? Rio de Janeiro. The Great Green Wall Initiative is being implemented in which continent? Africa. What is the current base interest rate in Pakistan as of early 2026? 12% to 13% and it's fluctuating. पेपर से पहले भी आपने इसको चेक करके जाना है. Which country recently launched the Zaira AI biology project? USA. The Gwadar International Airport became fully operational in 2025. Who is the current president of Russia? Vladimir Putin. The 2026 FIFA World Cup will feature how many teams? 48. Which country is the chair of ASEAN for the year 2026? Philippines. The National Digital Identity Project in Pakistan is managed by NADRA. Who won the 2025 Nobel Prize in Literature? Han Kang. The Iron Beam laser defense system was developed by Israel. Which province of Pakistan launched the Kisan Card in 2025? Punjab. The current GDP growth target for Pakistan in 2025 to 26 is 3.5%. Which country recently successfully tested the Hwasong 19 ICBM? North Korea. The Global Shield Against Climate Risks is an initiative by G7 and V20. Who is the current Secretary General of SAARC? Ghulam Sarwar. The 2025 ICC Champions Trophy host was originally Pakistan. Which tech giant faced a major antitrust ruling regarding search in 2025? Google. Operation Azm-e-Istehkam was launched in Pakistan to counter terrorism. Who is the current president of European Union Commission? Ursula von der Leyen. The Voyager 1 spacecraft resumed sending data in 2024 to 25. Which country hosted World Expo 2025? Japan in Osaka. The Thousand Islands project is a major development in Indonesia. Who is the current DG of World Health Organization? Tedros Adhanom. Pakistan's Special Investment Facilitation Council focuses on foreign direct investment. Which country recently joined the Digital Economy Partnership Agreement? South Korea. The TAPI pipeline progress was discussed between Pakistan and Turkmenistan. Who is the current Chief Minister of Balochistan? Sarfaraz Bugti. The COP30 summit is scheduled to be held in Brazil in Belém. Which country is the world's largest producer of lithium in 2025? In 2025, Australia, and in 2026, China is the largest producer of lithium. The Starship rocket's first successful catch was achieved by SpaceX. Who is the current president of Iran? Masoud Pezeshkian. The Amman 2025 naval exercise was hosted by Pakistan Navy. Which country recently implemented a wealth tax on billionaires? Brazil and Spain. The D8 organization recently focused on trade between developing 8 Muslim nations. Who is the current Prime Minister of Japan? Sanai Takaichi. The Khyber Pass Economic Corridor is funded by World Bank. Which country recently discovered a massive gold deposit in 2025? Uganda and China. The G7 2025 summit was held in Canada in Kananaskis. Who is the current CEO of Microsoft? Satya Nadella. The solar storm of May 2024 or 2025 impacted global satellite or GPS system. Which country recently banned the hijab in schools in 2025? Tajikistan. The International Solar Alliance is headquartered in India. Who is the current president of Turkey? Recep Tayyip Erdogan. The Kasa 1000 project involves electricity trade between Central and South Asia. Which nation hosted the 2025 Women's Cricket World Cup? India. The N5 is the longest highway in Pakistan. Who is the current director of CIA? John Ratcliffe since 23rd of January 2025. The Suez Canal revenue dropped in 2025 due to Red Sea security crisis. Which country recently announced the Line City Progress? Saudi Arabia. The FATF plenary in 2025 discussed regulations for virtual assets, crypto. Who is the current governor of Sindh? Kamran Tisuri. The NATO 75th anniversary summit was held in Washington, D.C. Which country is the largest producer of rice in 2025? China. National curriculum of Pakistan was updated in 2025. Who is the current Prime Minister of Canada? Mark Carney. The OpenAI launched its latest model 01 on 12th of September 2024. Which country hosted the 2025 Invictus Games? Canada. Which country officially joined NATO as its 32nd member in 2024? Sweden. Sweden officially became the 32nd member of NATO on 7th of March 2024. Who is the current president of Indonesia? Prabowo Subianto. The Global Gateway is an infrastructure project by European Union. Which Pakistani city was ranked most polluted in late 2024 to 25? Lahore. BRICS 2026 summit will be hosted by Brazil. Who is the current Secretary General of Arab League? Ahmed Aboul Gheith. The Kalabagh Dam remains a disputed project in Pakistan. Which country recently launched the Bepi Colombo mission to Mercury? It's a joint project between Europe and Japan. Specifically, it was launched by European Space Agency ESA and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency JAXA. The World Economic Outlook is published by IMF. Who is the current Chief Minister of Punjab? Maryam Nawaz. The 2026 Winter Olympics will be held in Italy. Which country recently officially joined the Schengen area by air? Romania and Bulgaria. The e-Rozgar program in Pakistan aims to promote freelancing. The UN Summit of Future took place in September 2024. ये 100 करंट अफेयर्स के MCQs हैं जो अभी रिसेंटली पेपर कंडक्ट होना है ASF के लिए, इंस्पेक्टर और असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर, उन दोनों के लिए। ADSF और इंस्पेक्टर ASF के तमाम सब्जेक्ट्स की रिवीजन के लिए एक लेक्चर ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दिया है और उसकी रिवीजन को हम कंप्लीट करेंगे और उसका नेक्स्ट पार्ट जो है, जो फाइनल पार्ट है, वो आने वाले 1-2 दिन में इस चैनल पर अपलोड हो जाएगा। अगर आपने रिवीजन करनी है तो वो लेक्चर आप इस चैनल पर जाकर देख सकते हैं। इसके अलावा आप में से जिन स्टूडेंट्स को भी ADSF के लिए, इंस्पेक्टर ASF के लिए सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग कंप्लीट नोट्स चाहिए हों तो व्हाट्सएप नंबर आपको स्क्रीन पर शो हो रहा है, उस पर कॉन्टैक्ट करके आप सैम्पल देखकर नोट्स ले सकते हैं। ASF के अलावा एंटी नारकोटिक फोर्स, FIA, पंजाब रेवेन्यू अथॉरिटी में जो इन्फोर्समेंट ऑफिसर, ऑडिट ऑफिसर की सीट्स आई थी, उनके लिए कंप्लीट सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग तमाम नोट्स जो है वो अवेलेबल हैं। इसी व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर कांटेक्ट करके आप सैम्पल और जो पेमेंट डिटेल्स वगैरह हैं वो ले सकते हैं। दैट्स ऑल अबाउट टुडेज़ वीडियो। इसी तरह की और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस के लिए अगर आप चाहें तो मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। साथ में मौजूद बेल आइकन को लाजमी प्रेस करना है ताकि जब न्यू वीडियोस अपलोड हों तो आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।